today's video, I'm going to explain why the market has a 40% chance of reversing its uptrend and crashing again. You will discover that this figure is not my invention. So let's study the main trigger points in this market together. Let's go! But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, retail trader, not expert, not guru, not financial advisor. I'm just a retail trader sharing my thoughts and ideas here on my YouTube channel, alright? So I'm not a financial advisor. Now, why the market has 40% chance of reversing its uptrend? Let's take a deeper look at this chart over here. This is SPY ETF, the S&P ETF over here, and as we can see, we are struggling a lot to break the resistance level at 477. This key point over here is acting as a resistance level again. It did act as a resistance level here, December 28, and right here on January 10, January 11, January 12, and today we are dropping again, leaving this resistance level behind. What's the problem of this resistance level? The problem is that if SPY actually drops to the point of losing the $466, we might see a crystal clear bearish reversal chart pattern called double top chart pattern. Of course, this is not a double top yet. In order for SPY to materialize a double top, we must see SPY losing the 466. There are a few indicators that are not looking that good right now, because if we take a look at this chart over here, it is still SPY ETF. However, we see the 50 and the 200 period moving averages over here, and as we can see, the volume is decreasing dramatically. While SPY has been struggling to break this resistance level, the volume is decreasing. This is not good, because in order for us to see a breakout of a clear resistance level, we gotta see the volume increasing. If the volume is decreasing, that's not a good signal. It is not a good signal at all. And what's more, we see RSI. The RSI topped over here on December 14, more than 1 month ago. Since then, while the price went up a little bit, we see the RSI going down. Therefore, there is a strong divergence between price and RSI. And maybe this could be even an advanced breakdown. If SPY actually loses the 466 area, I do believe the situation will get very, very ugly. And the QQQ faces a similar challenge over here. Strong divergence between price and the RSI while the volume is decreasing, just when QQQ reached a very important resistance level. Of course, it is still a bull trend, but why is it so important to see SPY maintaining the price above 466? Because again, this could be a double top chart pattern, and let's take a look at Thomas Bukowski's statistics regarding a double top chart pattern. As you can see here, double top chart pattern, it is an Eve and Adam type, right? And the double top, the patternsite.com, the double top has a break-even failure rate of 21% only, average decline 15%, pullback rate after the breakout of its trigger point 64%. It meets the price target only 55% of the time. Okay, these are the statistics regarding a double top chart pattern over here. But what is important is that confirmation. We always gotta wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation, meaning the price must close below the valley floor between the two peaks. Meaning we gotta see, regarding SPY, we gotta see SPY breaking 466. That's the key point. That's the valley floor on SPY. If you don't wait, if you jump the gun over here, there is a 60% chance that the price will continue higher without confirming the double top. Oh, all right, this makes much more sense right now, because this is why I always tell you guys, this is why I always say wait for confirmation. Some of you guys say, oh, there is a double top over here. No, there isn't. There isn't yet. We gotta wait for the breakout of the 466. Otherwise, there are 60% chances that SPY will just continue going up, which is more often than not. Alright, 60% is not that much, okay? I do agree. It is not amazing, but still more than 50%. It is still more often than not. So this is why for 66, that's the most important key point on SPY. If SPY loses this key point, okay, I do believe the trend is going to reverse. I do believe you're going to see the market crashing to lower levels again. I do believe many stocks are going to correct, or even in Tesla's case over here, or even seek much lower levels. If we see the broad market correcting, if we see SPY triggering its double top chart pattern, we could easily see Tesla retesting the lower level of this descending channel. This was already a false breakout on the weekly chart, a false breakout of this descending channel. I was quite optimistic over here. False breakouts are not that common, but right now we did. There is no deny. It was a false breakout. Tesla lost the 21 EMA again. It lost many critical support levels on the daily chart. It lost the 21 EMA on the daily chart. It lost the $230 support area over here in one single bearish leg. Therefore, if the market actually triggers a double top, I do believe we are going to retest the lower level of this descending channel, meaning we could drop below the $200. It all depends on how the market is going to behave from here, because right now we got to see a breakout, and we got to see a breakout with high volume. Only then I believe SPY and the QQQ could avoid a sharper correction. If we take a look at NVIDIA, all right, I really don't know what to say about NVIDIA. It is making a new record high again. We see a new record high on NVIDIA, breaking the previous top level, and to me, NVIDIA is heading towards my long-term target, $626. Oh, Nathan, this is crazy. NVIDIA will never get there. Well, in October 13 or October 26, I think it was on October 13, I recorded a video, October 13, 2022. I recorded a video, it is right here in this channel. I recorded a video calling a bottom on NVIDIA, saying that NVIDIA would explode to higher levels. It is going to retest the next resistance level over here. Many of you guys said, oh, Nathan, you are crazy. There is no way NVIDIA is going to reach this key point. NVIDIA is clearly bearish. NVIDIA is clearly crashing. There is no hope for NVIDIA. Well, we saw a technical bottom signal around a very important support level, which actually reversed it. So honestly, I'm used to be labeled as a crazy person over here. So $626, that's my long-term target on NVIDIA. Now, Tesla. You may say the same thing about Tesla. Tesla is totally hopeless. We don't see any meaningful bottom signal in Tesla. It is just crashing. Tesla is too weak. Tesla is a very bad stock. It is so ugly. It is looking so ugly. There is no hope for Tesla. I quit Tesla. Well, if we see a technical bottom signal over here, Tesla is going to be a buy again, period. All right. And then maybe in this scenario, since SPY and QQQ are around their all-time highs, if we see a breakout of their resistance levels, I think Tesla is going to be the best buy among the Magnificent Seven. So we got to keep our eyes open over here. If we see any bottom signal triggered, today we see a bullish reaction, but is this a bottom signal in Tesla? Not yet. There is no confirmation yet, but if we do see, I believe we're going to see an amazing buy signal in Tesla. And of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. Therefore, subscribe, click the like button. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye-bye.